I start from one side and then of course work my way over to the other. All right. Pick it out. Pick it out. So all right, from here now I just grab my hot comb, and what I'll do is just start from the side and I'm bringing it down like so. See? Like so. Just take your time, go through slowly so you can stretch out those kinks. See? And you know, I'm kind of doing a little rotation with the thing. Bring it that way, bring it this way until you get the texture that you want. So if you notice now, we're out there, right? We got that nice long beard coming along. So again, you know, you do your thing with your pick, man. Well, no, the pick ain't seizing up on anything now, because all those little rolls and kinks are all gone. But what we're gonna do though is that we're gonna use our brush now, and we're gonna brush it down, because as much as I stretch it out, I don't want it looking that crazy. I want to put it back together. So I'm shaping it with the brush like so. I'm shaping it, give it the shape that I want. Bringing it, because I like mine looking like so. This is how I wear my beard. See? And same thing goes here. Yeah, man. Cuba. This is like a really old cologne, but she got me a set. And it's like the only little aftershave I have. So, you know what I mean? Like so. Like so. Aftershave is a good thing. Bring back some moisture in your face. But that feels amazing though, right? Don't I look a lot better? Before, after. Now, how do I look? If you think that looks a lot better, hey, show me some love. Comment, tell me better ways I could do it, because I love to know a better way I could do my face. You know what I mean? In terms of like the clipper part. However, man, whatever recommendation you have, throw them in the comments. Let me know. This is a live video, but it will become a video on YouTube. Bye, people. Thank you very much for joining this live. And if you see this on the recording, thank you very much. If you like this content, if you like these contents, if you love this channel, definitely show it. You know what I mean? Communicate with me as well in the comments. Just let me know what you would like to see more of. You know what I mean? I'm jumping on live a lot these days, and I'm really not that shy about what I put up.